Hazel. Hazel. This is mine. This is mine. It's mine. Give it to me. Hazel. It's mine. Give me. It's mine. It's mine. Give me. Give me. Give me. Give me. It's mine, Hazel, not yours. Oh. Here.
Yeah, right. You're lying. Then where are the adults, Marty?
Yo, this is like Spooky Brother. It's like something out of the X-Files, man. You gotta bring back the grown-ups, Penny. Why? Because when the grown-ups cry.
Say hi to everybody. Say hello.
Nobody. Because in a world without adults, nobody gets jacked. Nobody gets told what to do.
Say hi, Mommy.
It's a world.
Say hi to my camera. Say hi.
For the children.
Yeah, but Penny,